Did you? Alright, cry.
Hey, we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. See you guys later. Goodbye. Working on these PCs just get me feeling some kind of way.
Why are you looking like that?
What do you mean? Who, Matt?
Yeah.
What was he doing?
He's like in the corner of the frame, like.
God. I love getting deep inside of these f***ing grommets. Y'all ever thought the gecko from State Farm was kind of bad?
You see over there like an Optiplex. You know, well, compared to an Optiplex, so you guys can get some scale. Or you can do that.
Like, how's he gonna include that, you think? One of the things we took advantage of this build, we took advantage of Jonah. That'll run really good and all. It's been 4 days. And they're a really amazing price right now. I don't even know what the price is. I think they're like 150 bucks, something like that. And for the motherboard, we decided to go with the MSI.
That was...
And for the motherboard.
Whoa, that's crazy. I'm gonna touch your lens. And for the motherboard, we have an MSI Pro B760M Wi-Fi DDR4. We saved some money by going DDR4.
It's a B760P.
What did I call it?
An M.
Oh, struggling.
ToastyBros here, and we are here to upgrade the $150 second-hand PC with a pair of OCZ SSDs.
Hope you guys enjoy.
I can get you. You're a tilt. But it's at the other end. We're slowly... Just keep going. We're slowly enclosing on the other tenants.
When you're getting B-roll of this billboard done, Jonah, there's some other...
I saw him looking at you. I thought he was about to start screaming. I like how you push the lens on that. Guess we're gonna get Sony. Everything's Sony. You recording that?
Yeah.
Oh. Actually?
Yeah.
We got a ready-to-go motherboard that is ready to put inside the case.
I'm f***ing ready. Insert Micro Center promo here.
I'm mewing. All right. We always talk about how... Fuck, dude. Fuck. All right.
Mine's probably not going to be smooth either anymore.
Hey, so I had a question about that.
Oh my God! Welcome to stage 2! We made it to the farmlands. We made it where it needs to go. This is where it all ends.
I swear these are supposed to explode.
I thought these were bombs.
Throw an Aries game in there.
Oh my God.
Light an Aries game on fire.
All right, just
Yeah, I said 675.
But turn the camera though.
75? Yeah. Okay.
you can, yeah. Go ahead.
Let's stream with it.
Cool.
3050.
Just cower. Just kind of move, and then when I say look over at the camera creepily. All right, look. Cool.
This is the sturdiest staircase ever.
God, can you imagine if you got a video of it falling?